how to become a medium member and unlock premium reading features. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to become a medium member and unlock premium reading features. To become a premium, become a member right here, so you can unlock premium reading features right here on the Medium. All we need to do is open up your Medium app right here. Once you open up your Medium app right here, next thing you need to do is on the bottom right corner, you see your profile right there. So there, as you can see, your profile is right there. All we need to do right now is press on your profile right there on the bottom right corner. After pressing your profile right there on the top right, you will see a settings icon. All you need to do is press on the settings icon on the top right corner right there. After pressing on the settings icon right there, you will see here at the account section, you will see become a medium member right there. All you need to do is press on that, become a medium member. After pressing on become a medium member, you'll be located here. Here, support, rate, writing, and access all stories on Medium. So here are the memberships. So here we have the Medium member for 255 per month, or is you can put 6 to 1884 $4 per month right there, or become a friend of Medium for at least, I think it's for a 12 16 24, I think it's for $15. Yeah, $15 a month for a friend of Medium. And we have also pay annually, which will of course have a discount on for a year right there for becoming a Medium member and a friend of Medium. But yeah, there you guys, that's how I do it. I hope you guys like the video. Because you enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, you can type it down in the comment below, guys. I will answer as soon as possible here on How to Rock It, guys. Anyways guys, there you go, and thank you guys.